Welcome to Ayra's Fun World. Every day is a fun day and keep smiling. So today I'm going to tell you a riddle. How can we make a lemon feel better when it's sick? Give it lemonade. Get it? We get aid, lemonade. Sometimes all you can do is to say, wow! We have this Water Wow Reveal book. And we have a Water Wow Reveal marker. So this is a Fairytale Water Reveal pad over here. And this makes no mess at all. And we have to color with water, let it dry, and color again. So let's see what secret is behind this book. Let's see what's hiding from it. So now I'm going to open up the water pen. I really like the pink color. It's like a fairy. But what's the blue part here? You see it? There's blue parts. So let's see. There's a bottle inside. What could this bottle be for? Oh, we have to fill water in it. So let's fill water. So now I filled this pen with water. So it says, who will the fairy princess see in the forest? Color the picture and see. Find one dragonfly, one inchworm, 2 flowers, 1 bee, 3 ladybugs, 2 hummingbirds. Found one hummingbird. One hummingbird. I found another hummingbird. I found one flower and one bee. I found another flower. I found 2 flowers, 2 hummingbirds, and 1 bee. I found 1 ladybug. I found 1 dragonfly. I found another ladybug. I found 1 inchworm. I found 2 ladybugs, 2 hummingbirds, 2 flowers, 1 inchworm, 1 bee, and 1 dragonfly. Really cool. Now let's move on to the next page, and this pen is super magical. I did not expect it to be that magical. Now let's move on to the next picture. Everybody, this is a mermaid instead of a princess or a fairy. I'm so excited to do mermaid this time. So it says color in the mermaid lagoon, then dive, disappear, and try to spot these undersea sights. 3 fishes, 4 sea stars. I thought it's called starfish, but okay. 1 sand dollar, whatever is that called. 1 seahorse. 6 bubbles. 2 dolphins. Okay, I think I got it. Hey, I already found 1 fish. I found a fish. I found 1 fish. There's only 2 more fish to color. What? She has a pink crown? She didn't show us that? Her tail is like Ariel, but Ariel's tail is purple, I think. La 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 la. But Ariel's hair is not blonde. Her hair is red. Or maybe Ariel just dyed her. Wait, I found one sea star. I'm kind of confused of calling it sea star. I found 1 starfish. And I found 1 dolphin. 1 fish, 1 starfish, 1 bubble, and 1 dolphin. What's this? What's this? Okay. Shells. We found the sand dollar. 1 sand dollar. Yes. 1 sand dollar. We found it. We found 1 seahorse. And what else? We found the other fish. Or is it? Yeah, it's a fish. We found 2 fish. We found 2 dolphins. Yes. We found 2 dolphins. And 2 bubbles. I found another starfish. There's another fish. We found 3 fish. Yay! There's a 3rd bubble. 4 other fishes. Here's the 4th bubble. 5th bubble. We found a starfish. We found another starfish. We found 1, 2, 3, 4 starfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bubbles. 2 dolphins. 1 sand dollar. 4 sea stars and 3 fish. Look how interesting this is. So we're done with all the pictures. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for this magical video. Ding 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 ding. Bye guys. Have a Lego day.